Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to introduce the Excel data types for you. The Excel will classify data to make the computer storage space be used efficiently and find the desired data quickly. Like tidying up clothes in our lives, we would categorize clothes to story. It's very convenient for us to find the clothes we want. Now, let's look at how Microsoft Excel regards the data. The most common data types are text type, number type, and logic type, also called Boolean type. Okay, the first type, text type, includes numbers that don't require arithmetic operations, and letters, the character of other languages, punctuation marks, and space tab, and carriage return characters. Well, another type is the logical type, whose value is either true or false. In most cases, a logical value will be present due to an expression of whether a specific condition has been met, such as the statement 1 is less than 2 is recognizable as a true statement, and Excel also treats the value 0 as false and the value 1 as true. Now, move on to the number type, which contains the whole numbers and decimal numbers. Please note that the data in number format can only retain 15 significant digits from left to right. The zeros will replace the resets longer than 15 in length. Further, if the length of number type values in general format is longer than 11, Excel will automatically convert it into a scientific number. Besides, Excel will convert the data in these formats of currency, percentage, fraction, date, time, and scientific digits to number type values. For example, Excel would think of $100 as the number 100, and the 15% and 1/2 are numerically equivalent to the decimal number 0.5. Therefore, we can treat the data in these formats as number type values, even though they don't like numbers intuitively. Likewise, we can perform arithmetic operations on data in these formats. Well, let's see how Excel converts these formats to numbers. The date is stored as the number of days from January 1st, 1900 to December 12, 1999. In other words, January 1st, 1900 is considered by Excel as 1. January 2nd, 1900 would be stored as 2nd. January 3rd, 1900, like 3, and so on. The critical thing to remember is that Excel can only recognize dates between 1900 to 1999. Well, let's look at time. A day in seconds is 86,400 seconds. We need to convert the current time into seconds and divide it by 86,400. The evaluation result is what Excel will store. It is undeniable that we often use Excel's general format by default to intelligently classify the data we are typing into a cell. That is easier than changing the format type manually. For example, if you order a series of numbers, it assumes you intend number type values. However, be aware that Excel tries to help you in this manner. Most of the time, it works out. Sometimes it does not. When we talk about our social security number, we generally recognize it as an identifier composed of numerical characters. We do not want to use it for arithmetic operations, such as addition or subtraction, even though semantically we still call them numbers. Some zeros might be at the rightmost end of SSNs, like double 0 is followed by subtotal 1. If we type it into a cell, Excel will think of it as number type values and eliminates those leading zeros. In this case, we can treat the numbers as text value. Then inserting a single quote as the first character to store the digits as text values to reserve those leading zeros. Let's talk about the difference between text type values and number type values. The text type values cannot be performed arithmetic operations and would be aligned to the left in a cell. On the contrary, the number type values can be performed arithmetic operations and aligned to the right. Okay, we have covered a lot of ground. In summary, we understand exactly how to regard type lists, the occurs errors which are difficult to detect, such as we cannot take text type values as parameters to the math function. Then, let's take a review. Okay, you did a good job. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.